The moment you guys have been waiting for. What's going on, everybody? Exciting day today. I think in the last video you guys saw how happy I was. I'm actually pretty excited right now. My wife said that I could come to the shop, which is very rare that she lets me come with her. I shouldn't say with her permission, but basically telling her she's forcing me to come to the shop to put these parts on because she's just as excited as I am to see how they look. So I'm actually here right now, gonna go look at the parts. So yeah, I know in the last video you guys saw them, but this is basically when they're all dry. So let's see what they look like. Well, Luis came in and decided he wanted to paint. But this is the bumper. You got the grill. Whew. I'm so excited. Everything turned out really good. So yeah, here's all my other stuff right here. So give me a quick minute, you guys. I know it's kind of dark, but give me a quick minute and we'll get it going. All right, we are gonna move right along. I just wanted to show you guys this freaking paint job turned out smooth. I do not know why. Usually my paint jobs turn out a little bit more dirtier, but I mean, I am so happy with how everything turned out. Now I don't know if I told you guys, there are little defects. There was some paint that bled into the tape a little bit. Nothing too serious though. So I'm not really gonna worry about having it be like 100% perfect, just for the fact it is my car. And this is a chrome bumper, so I didn't really want to pay, like I said, too much attention. I just want to see how this paint holds up. I mean, if this paint is holding up for like years to come, then yeah, I will be advertising that I can paint chrome bumpers. So it's going to be cool. Like I said, not a lot of shops paint chrome bumpers just because they end up flaking and everything. So I did manage to find maybe a secret on how to paint these. I know a lot of people are probably going to comment on the video saying they know how to do it with this and that, but you know, everyone is going to do it. Like I said, I mean, you guys pretty much know my secret from the videos before, me sanding it and telling you how I'm sanding it. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put you guys in just fast forward mode, and we're going to get these bumpers put on and put it onto the truck. So stay tuned. Like I said, this is just going to be a complete putting the truck together video. So the moment you guys have been waiting for. Now, if you guys have noticed that the grill and bumper are already on in the last scene, I was just tightening it up. That was for the fact that I got talking to my brother-in-law. He just showed up with my wife, Letty, and I was talking with them and just putting it on without recording. So he was talking to people on the phone, and they were chit-chatting, so I didn't want to record and have them talk over my recording. So yeah, what I'm doing right now is I'm just getting my mirror caps. So yeah, these turned out really freaking good too. But if you guys haven't noticed the freaking bumper and the grill, it turned out amazing. So I'm pretty happy with it. And I hope, sorry, I'm all over the place. And I hope you guys are happy with it too. Pretty pricey, pretty expensive, but I think it's worth it. So let me go walk over and I'll show you what it looks like. Just say. All right, everybody. Grill's on, bumper's on. Everything's all tightened up. Damn! Shit! Had to come look at the final product too. That's it, you guys. Long nights. Me missing the wife and the wife missing me, huh, babe? Anyway, she's over there. She's camera shy. She doesn't want to be on the camera. Anyways, we are done. I'm probably going to give this a wash tomorrow, but it turned out sick. I'm super excited. The way it turned out, it looked really good. I'm happy with it. And the car show is next week, and I hope people actually look at this truck and hope they like it as well. So that's going to be it, you guys. It's a quick video. Till next time, see you around.
Okay.